Hello, gardeners! Today we're diving into two radish varieties that bring both beauty and flavor to your garden. Watermelon radishes and French breakfast radishes. Watermelon radishes have a striking green exterior with a bright pink center, resembling a watermelon. Their mildly sweet flavor makes them perfect for adding a splash of color and a unique taste to salads and pickles. These radishes are often enjoyed raw, where their crisp texture can be fully appreciated, or lightly pickled to enhance their natural sweetness. They can also be roasted or sautéed, adding a delightful twist to various dishes. Whether you're looking to brighten up a dish or add a new flavor dimension, watermelon radishes are a versatile and visually appealing choice. French breakfast radishes are an elongated variety with a mild, slightly peppery taste. Traditional in French cuisine, these radishes are perfect for eating raw, especially when sliced thinly for salads or as a crisp, refreshing snack. Their vibrant red color with a white tip makes them visually appealing. They are often enjoyed with a touch of butter and a sprinkle of salt, enhancing their natural flavors. Harvested in the early morning, these radishes retain their crispness and are a delightful addition to any meal. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a culinary enthusiast, French breakfast radishes are a must-try. With their unique flavors and vibrant colors, watermelon and French breakfast radishes add a delightful variety to any garden. These radishes not only enhance the visual appeal of your garden, but also bring a burst of flavor to your dishes. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing these radishes can be a rewarding experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on growing delicious radishes. Stay tuned for more gardening tips and tricks to make your garden flourish. Happy gardening!